कोई ना कोई मरता है.
Our heart is bleeding because our youths are not safe any further. These killings would have stopped if India had solved Kashmir issue on time.
India is not just killing youths who take up arms, but is killing everyone in Kashmir. It is a planned genocide so that people stop seeking freedom, but we will continue to seek freedom from India.
People have taken to the streets in the summer capital of Kashmir, Srinagar, to bid farewell to Eesa Fazli, a 24-year-old fighter killed in an encounter with the Indian Army along with his 2 associates. Police say the 3 died in a gun battle after Indian forces raided a village. The deaths of the 3 fighters have triggered protests across Kashmir, forcing authorities to impose restrictions in the sensitive areas. Since the killing of top fighter Burhan Wani in July 2016, more and more youths have joined pro-independence groups. Over the past decade, the number of educated youths joining the militants has been on rise. This has turned into a matter of concern for the people in trouble-hit Kashmir. Analysts blame Indian government for the growing political unrest and urge it to appease the angry dissidents before it's too late. Shahana Butt, Press TV, Indian-controlled Kashmir.